Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information Channel. My name is Marvin. In this video I'm going to give you the stock earnings that are going to happen next week. And during next week we don't have that many companies reporting earnings, but we have quite a few unique companies, and the first one is going to be JD. JD will report earnings on Monday before the market opens. The company has been positive in 2017. It has gone up over 57% during the year. And during earnings, the company has beaten the EPS 4 out of the last 4 times and the revenue 3 out of the last 4 times, with 1 in line. And the company share price has moved up 3 out of those 4 quarters. And the last time when the company reported earnings, the company share price moved down because the guidance was a little bit soft. And this company most likely will beat the EPS on revenue, but it needs to post really strong guidance, since we just saw Alibaba quarter a few weeks back. In the Alibaba, they actually expect this quarter to be really good, so I do expect JD to do the same and post a strong guidance. And the next company to report earnings is Home Depot. Home Depot is going to report earnings on Tuesday before the market opens, and the company has been positive. It has gone up over 22% in 2017, and it has been really good during earnings. It has beaten the EPS 4 out of the last 4 times and the revenue 3 out of the last 4 times, with 1 in line. And the company share price has moved up 2 out of the last 4 times. And Home Depot has done a really good job fighting Amazon, because the company has moved up quite a bit during the last year. And the next company to report earnings the same day after the market closes is YY. Now YY has been really good in 2017. It has gone up over 125% in 2017. And the company has beaten the EPS 4 out of the last 4 times and the revenue 2 out of the last 4 times. The company share price has moved down every time the company has reported earnings during the last 4 quarters. And even though the company share price has moved down the same day they report earnings, the company share price has moved up over the long term. And this is the main competitor of Momo, and Momo hasn't been doing that well, and this company has been the complete opposite. So expect the company to do the same, beat the EPS on revenue, and probably the shares might move down. And the next company to report earnings after the market closes on November 15 is gonna be Cisco. Now the company has beaten the EPS 4 out of the last 4 times and the revenue 3 out of the last 4 times. However, the shares have moved down 3 out of those 4 quarters because of the guidance. And I expect Cisco to do the same beat on the EPS and revenue, but the share price might continue be at this price. I think it needs at least 2 more quarters before the company shares start to move up. And the next company that will report earnings the same day on November 15 after the market close is gonna be NetEase. Now NetEase has been positive. It has moved up over 40% in 2017, and that is a video game company that is located in China. Now the company has beaten the EPS 3 out of the last 4 quarters and the revenue 3 out of the last 4 quarters, but the share price has moved down 3 out of those 4 quarters. And NetEase hasn't done that really well during the last 6 months, but I think it's gonna beat on the EPS and revenue, and I expect the company to post strong guidance, and if it does, the company share price is gonna move up at least 5 to 7%. And the next company that will report before the market opens on November 15 is going to be Target. Now the company had been negative in 2017. It has moved down over 14%. And during earnings, the company has beaten the EPS 3 out of the last 4 times, and it has beaten the revenue 2 out of the last 4 times, with 2 inlines. During the last 2 quarters, the company has been really good. That's why the company has come back during the last 6 months. At one point, the share price was around 54, and now it's in the low 60s. But the most important thing is going to be the guidance, because the holidays are going to be in the next few weeks. Now, the next company that will report earnings on November 16 after the market close is going to be Applied Materials. Now, this company has been really good during earnings. It has beaten the EPS 4 out of the last 4 times and the revenue 3 out of the last 4 times. And the company has been positive 3 out of the last 4 quarters when they report earnings. It hasn't moved that much the day they report earnings. However, over the long term, which has been this year, the company has gone up over 74%. And I did a video when the company was having issues of breaking the high 40. It has a resistance level, so it finally broke after the last earnings. Now the company will have good earnings. It's going to be the EPS and revenue, but the guidance is going to give us an idea if the company is going to have another good year in 2018. And now the next company that will report earnings the same day before the market opens is going to be Best Buy. Now Best Buy has been positive. It has gone up over 32% in 2017. Now during earnings, the company has beaten the EPS 4 out of the last 4 times and the revenue 3 out of the last 4 times, and the company share price has moved up 2 out of the last 4 times when they have reported earnings, and I think the company will beat the EPS and revenue, but the guidance needs to be strong, especially since the holidays are around the corner. And the last company that will report earnings the same day on November 16 before the market opens is going to be Walmart. Now, Walmart has been positive. It has gone up over 31% during 2017. Now, during earnings, the company has beaten the EPS 4 out of the last 4 times and the revenue 1 out of the last 4 times, with 1 in line, and the company share price has moved up 2 out of the last 4 quarters. Now, Walmart has done a lot of key decisions, so that's why the share price has continued to move up. During the earnings, they have mentioned that the new acquisition, which has been Jet.com, has been awesome for them. It will be interesting to see the guidance during the holidays and how do you plan to utilize the Jet.com space. And Walmart has the tools to compete with Amazon because it can price match most of the items. The Jet.com acquisition has been key for the company. And that is gonna be everything for the video. Please leave in the comment section below which company are you waiting to report earnings next week. And for me, the company that I'll be watching is Applied Materials because I have shares in that company. And remember, you can subscribe to the Financial Information channel when I continue making videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. I want to thank you once again for watching the video. Have an excellent day and take care, my friends.